Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can go to section based on answer in Google Form. So first, head over to Google Forms and open any form, but if you're starting from scratch, pick the blank form. This gives you full control to design it your way. Give your form a clear title that matches what it's about. Next, you'll want to add your first question. Hit the plus button on the toolbar to insert a new question. Make sure you select multiple choice as the question type because it lets you direct users to different sections depending on what they answer. Now it's time to organize your form with sections. Think of sections like mini pages that split your form into parts. To add one, just click the Add Section button from the toolbar. You can make as many sections as you need and customize each with its own questions based on what information you want to collect. Rename and arrange them however you like to keep everything neat. The next important step is setting up answer-based navigation. Go back to your multiple choice question, click the three-dot menu in the bottom corner, and choose Go to Section based on answer. This will add drop-downs next to each answer choice, letting you decide where each response leads either to a specific section or straight to the form's conclusion. This makes the form experience much more personal for each user. Once you've mapped out all the paths, it's smart to test your form. Click the Preview button at the top and walk through different choices to make sure everything routes correctly. After everything looks good, your form is ready to go. Share the link or embed it wherever you want people to access it. And that's all there is to it. You've now built a Google form that changes sections based on answers, making it more efficient and user-friendly, and that's it, you are done.